field, we back. Right there. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta get my form right. My ass on the wind blowing that shit. Hey, for real, hey. I should kind of like it right here a little bit so I get used to it. But then we just used to it in the field. You know what I'm saying? One ain't one. Yeah, that James Harden right there. Now you can get it. So I made that one. I'm looking at it. Let me make sure I get my form right here. We're in. That's how I made that. Let me make sure I get my form right. If I release my elbow. Hey, there you go. See, I was missing too. There you go, shot. Here you go. Here you go. Oh! Try to get the elbow right. So I kept shooting flat. Oh, that's off. Fuck. Oh, okay. Kyrie Irving. Steph Curry. Oh, give one more. Oh, got to bounce. What the fuck? Come on. I got that elbow. Oh, that's off. That's off. That was off. See what I'm doing? Earlier I wanted to do my elbow like this. Oh, there you go. You know, I kept messing up on, bro. I want to do my elbow. That's how I be fucking up on a lot. In my feet. But it's kind of cool with her. I should like it right here. Here we go. Yeah. Money. Oh. Almost. It is kind of fun though. Yeah. Ooh. It's like, yeah. You gotta like shoot it right. I know why I'm balling today, man. Ah. That's Steph Curry. That's Steph Curry doing that shit. does. Here we go. Hey, that's off. See, I knew that shit was off. It was a tree hit it.